Hi.
Is it on record?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah. You've been on record for 5 seconds already.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so apparently, what are we trying to do, Charmaine?
Cleaning my belly ring out
We're cleaning her belly ring out?
because it got stuck and it wouldn't want to come out and then it didn't want to come back in.
If you take it the other way around, think of it as a Kevin version.
Girl.
I told. I told you, think of it in a Kevin way of what you just said.
And then I realized what you said.
God. And whose fault is that?
Yours.
No.
It's not mine.
It might be Kevin and Megan's
I don't know Megan.
and Tyler's.
Well, I know Megan, but I don't like Megan.
And Carmela's. You're not that much.
What?
You're not that much.
Yeah, I know. But I said I didn't like Megan.
Nah. Oh well.
She looks like she complains a lot. I mean, I complain a lot, but
She doesn't complain a lot. She
looks
doesn't.
like she would.
Mm-mm.
Oh no, I get that vibe. She
The
reminds
vibe.
me of Kira.
The vibe. Kira.
Kira, Kiara.
Oh, Kara? You mean the private school girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kara.
BI or
B.I.
Bishop Arlington, whatever the hell.
Yeah.
It keeps going down my shirt.
A vibration.
Like you were talking about my camera's vibrating. I was like, what?
It looks punny.
That's what I meant!
What?
Watch this commercial. See?
Oh! That was not blue.
No, there was a girl wearing a blue thong
Oh.
that you missed, and I was like,
Drake and Josh Christmas. What are we supposed to do in this? What's this one about?
what? The video?
He looks emo now. The way he has his hair. Josh. What the hell?
He's gay, remember?
He is?
I don't know. Could be.
You peed your...
It looks like an apple.
There's a hole.
Let me stand up.
How you doing?
What? Apparently.
Oh, he jiggled.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And if you touch it, it's weird. It feels weird. The tickles!
You just stomp away, be like, it tickles. you gotta stay in that shirt. Wow.
I told you! It liked to
Tyler missed. Tyler missed.
Yes. I can't believe you said that!
Not that Tyler.
Girl Tyler?
Yeah,
Oh, good.
that's what I meant.
Oh. We know too many Tylers.
I know, I
Remember?
do.
I said we do. Remember?
Yeah.
This is a weird voice to put my leg. No, don't look, I have scars.
I can't see you in the dark now. I can't.
Look at what eczema does to you.
Eggs?
Eczema.
Oh, it's okay. We still love you, though.
My bad leg. And then my good leg.
You got bad leg and good leg.
Good leg. I have to put special cream on it. I was just bleeding.
You like to suck your blood, don't you?
I licked it, and then I moved it off. Didn't work.
So how do you feel being all squeaky clean? You just took a shower.
I took a bath. That's why
Bath.
my hair's not wet.
Oh yeah, bath. But how do you feel?
Not very clean.
Still not clean?
No. I feel icky.
I don't know why, for some reason your hair still looks good. Yeah, it does.
You do.
It does too.
Who doesn't? People, does my hair look good?
Battery's about to die.
Bye bye.
Bye, people.